In this recording of our T-slot operation, we'll be going through our finish cut. Now that I've actually finished my rough cut, I'm going to now create another operation by simply doing save and copy to keep all the tool information and the geometry information in the new operation that I have. And I'm just going to make some changes in my technology. The changes I'm going to make will be as follows. I don't need a rough cut here because that's what I did my last time. And note that my offsets of my rough cuts are shown over here. And this is important for the finish. The reason is as follows. When I do a finish, I can do a finish on the ceiling, wall, or floor, or all three of them together, or just two of them together. Right now, I'm just going to do a finish just on the wall. So it will not do the finish on the floor, and it will leave the amount offset for whatever is written over here. Let's take a quick look at what happens in our finish cut. I'll do the first step. First of all, you can see exactly what was left over in the previous operation. It'll come down now, come across. You can see that it's leaving 1.5 millimeters over there, and now it's going to keep on going down and further down as well. Now let's do a little more. Let's do just ceiling and just floor without doing the wall. And let's make, by the way, a cutting overlap of, say, 0.5 millimeters is the overlap. And I'm going to work from the middle to top. Save and calculate, simulate, and again we'll do this at one step at a time. You'll see that the tool will go down to the bottom, finish the bottom, and then finish the top. It did not finish the wall at all. Now, if we go back in and do all of them, it will do as follows. Simulate, starts from the middle, finishes that, goes up to the top, and then finishes the bottom. That's basically how you can work with the offsets and the finish for the ceiling and wall and floor, or any of them separately. This concludes our recordings in our series of T-slot operation.